Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect kongnamul-gukbap. Time is golden. Let's go. 3 liters of water, 20 grams of dried kelp, 300 grams of bean sprouts. Bring it to boil. After the water has boiled, cook for another 5 minutes. Take the kelp out of the water. Keep the bean sprouts on the side. 1 teaspoon of grounded pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half tablespoon of Saeujeot, 1 teaspoon of white MSG, 1 tablespoon of beef MSG, 20 grams of dried pollak, 300 grams of squid. Bring it to boil. Keep the squid and pollak on the side. Chop both squid legs and whole pollak for the seasoning sauce. For the seasoning sauce, 3 tablespoons of red pepper powder, chopped pollak, chopped squid legs, half tablespoon of Saeujeot, 1 teaspoon of spicy chili, 1 tablespoon of spring onion, half tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of bean sprout soup, 1 teaspoon of white MSG, 1 teaspoon of beef MSG. Mix well. For the plating, bean sprouts, pour soup, squid, spring onion, 1 egg, seasoning sauce. Bring it to boil. Your easy and delicious kongnamul-gukbap is ready. Enjoy your meal. Bye now.